Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating the recording in the meeting chat or under meeting details. Open it now. Once you see the file, follow the team's link to OneDrive or SharePoint to access the storage location. Make sure you have download permission. If the file is already Mp4, you can skip conversion and download directly. If it's another container or you plan to change quality, leave it online for now and prepare a converter. This avoids extra uploads and preserves original resolution. Now you download the source file to your computer and pick a conversion tool. VLC or Handbrake are free and reliable. Stream offers cloud options. Open the file in the converter, select Mp4 as the container, and choose H. 264 video and AAC audio for wide compatibility. Keep the original resolution and frame rate when possible, or set 1920x 1080 at 30 FPS for standard output. Once configured, after conversion, play the Mp4 end-to-end and confirm audio sync, bitrate, and expected resolution. Once satisfied, rename the file clearly, add meeting metadata, then upload to OneDrive, SharePoint, or Stream with appropriate sharing settings. Make sure attendees have access. If you hit problems, like corrupt output or permission errors, re-download the original from Teams and retry with a different converter or run a repair tool. If sharing fails, check file ownership and folder permissions immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.